Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset home screen layout on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings, scroll down and click on apps. Then under apps, go ahead and search for One UI. So click on the search button and search for One UI. Then click on it from the result, which is One UI Home. Now, to reset your home screen layout, all you simply need to do is scroll down and then click on storage. Now, click on clear cache and then click on clear data. Once you click on clear data, this is going to reset your home screen layout back to the default. And that's it. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.